Taking a picture. Thank goodness.
Gotta get it
first. Literally everyone's at the shop today except Coley. Good morning, everybody. It is whatever today is. Today is Saturday. You'll probably see this video on like Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll probably upload it Wednesday because I got a few other videos I got to do. So just so you know, sometimes I like to do more videos on the weekends just because I have more time, and then I'll upload them later in the week. But today, you have already seen the video on my truck. So we just did the first wash on my truck. Looks really good. Coley is actually out of town, so Joe, our other buddy, is actually working with Coley, and they're both doing the same thing. So Coley's helping Joe out. So Joe washed my truck today, did an awesome job, and he's learning. He's getting a lot better. So shout out to Coley. It's really awesome that you're teaching Joe. But we're gonna rinse off the Hellcat. I think we're gonna bucket wash it because it's not really that dirty. So we're just gonna bucket wash it just to clean the vinyl up, and then we're gonna put on a few things. So this, if you don't know, is the character Snkycat. It's like a fat version, cartoon version of Snkycat. So we're gonna put that on. And then Kevin got me these awesome outlined Hellcat purple badges. Jeez, I can't talk today. These are actually official Mopar licensed product. These are from, I think it's, yep, American Brother Designs. And then he also got me this one for the rear. These things are really nice. They are top-notch quality. They're really good. It's a really good product. So it's got the SRT, and then this one's got the purple Hellcat on it. So these outline badges, these are like, the Demon has an outline badge, and the 2017 Hellcats also have the outline badge. The 2015-2016 did not get the outlined badge, but I think it looks a lot better. I don't know, the outline just looks really clean. So we're gonna wash it, and then when Misa comes over, we're gonna put the sticker on, and we'll get the badges on. So we'll update you guys then. All right, Joe, how are we washing the Snkycat?
All right, so we're spraying all the dirt off of it. Then we're just using O&R and a mitt, and then we're gonna wipe it, and then go back and rinse it off and dry it. And we're gonna do a panel at a time. That way, we don't get water spots.
Boom! Joe is the man. Coley's out. So make sure you guys unsubscribe, unfollow Coley. I'm just kidding. Like I said, Joe's helping Coley out. They're working together, and because Joe's trying to do his own thing, so Coley's kind enough to show him the ways, and Joe gets to clean my car. So Joe?
2 thumbs up.
And the Trackhawk is almost done. Look at it. Skylar just finished tinning it, and they got the Expel on there, so we need to get the Trackhawk outside so the Expel can finish completely drying. But Coley freaking killed this paint. You guys will see a bunch of videos on this, but this paint is ridiculous. Coley, when you watch this, you did a really good job. I don't like you, but you did a good job. It looks really good. Alright, so we're gonna continue washing Snkycat. Then we gotta get Misa's ass back over here to put my badges on. Alright, so she's nice and clean. Joe got all the water spots off the wrap. It cleans up pretty easily, right?
Oh yeah.
I mean, just some water and O&R, I guess, and
yeah,
wipe her down. Joe did a really good job, though. The wrap looks really good. You got the windows nice and clean. So now, once Misa's lazy ass gets over here, we can put the new badges on. But a shout out, Joe. He's the new man around here.
Thanks to Coley. So follow me at JoeGram__ on Instagram, and then my YouTube channel is Joe Grom.
Joe Grom, and you're gonna start updating your YouTube again, right?
Yeah, it's been a while, so slacking.
Cool. That's all right. Gotta get back on it. Hey, yo, bitch!
God damn it, dude.
Misa's finally back, so we can put the badges on. Badges. Misa. Badges. Misa. Misa badges. Hi, Misa.
Misa badges in the car.
Alright, so Misa's gonna put the badges on. We've got
what's
their.
up, guys?
Oh my god.
Boris here. We're here to suck dick.
There goes my video getting demonetized. Alright.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
So we got the badge for the wing, spoiler, whatever you want to call it. and the badges for the side, and then we have the Snkycat sticker, which I'm thinking we take the white one off because that Caffeine and Cars is outdated, and then we put the Snkycat on.
The Cheshire Cat?
The what?
It's a Cheshire Cat.
Yeah, there you go. That's what it's called. So I think that replaced the Caffeine and Cars sticker.
Ooh.
Or where else would you want to put it?
No, I brought an illustrious sticker. I'm gonna put it on here.
Is it purple?
No, it's black.
Oh, we can put a black one on. That's fine. Alright, so we're going to take off this Caffeine and Cars sticker because this is the old version. Yeah, I know. We already have a new version. We've only had a Caffeine and Cars once. That's how we roll.
A plastic razor blade.
Great. Cool. We'll just be waiting here. YouTube and I just be waiting.
Everybody just brief hold. Okay.
Fancy Misa over here added some light. Alright, so he's going to use a plastic razor blade to get the sticker off. That way he can get the little glue off and it won't leave shit on the window. And it won't scratch the window by using a metal razor blade, right?
Mm-hmm. You are correct, sir.
Misa put sticker on. Misa take sticker off.
Like Kevin that one day he fixed the thing and then he broke the thing.
Kevin fix car, Kevin break car. Alright, sticker is off. So Misa left a piece!
Got it. Everybody, wait. Everybody just relax. Don't move.
I'm shaking again.
Fuck.
Alright, so now we're gonna put the Snkycat on there. Alright, where's the cat from? I always forget. It's from
Alice in Wonderland.
Yes, there we go. I don't know why I always forget.
Cheshire Cat.
Yes. So this is the Alice in Wonderland cat. Kevin bought me this a while ago. He actually bought 3 of them, and this is the one I chose. So he gave me 3 to choose from because I thought that one was the coolest, and the purple match is pretty good.
Fucking so glorious when it comes off.
It's glorious. This is on my video right now, so don't fuck this up.
So here?
Yeah, kind of like how the other side is. So they're the same. It's the Snkycat. So yeah, it's funny because the other ones Kevin got me were like skinnier. This cat is fat as shit, just like my car. My car's heavy, so it's fat.
It's so heavy!
I mean, it really is heavy. I can't deny it. Can't deny it. But so now we got that one. Got the little 806 sticker here. So just little purple hints around the car. I'm gonna leave these purple now. I think with the purple badges will look good.
You like them purple?
Yeah, and there's a few people that commented and said they liked the purple.
Yeah, well, I mean,
they thought it looked good.
It doesn't look bad.
Just because then if you walk up, you know the car's still purple. You know, like what's the regular color?
And the inside of the mirrors too.
I like that too. I just saw that right as you said that. I looked over. So like the inside of the mirrors, Misa could have wrapped those, but he just left like a nice little purple ring. Like I said, the purple accents are cool, I think, because then you walk up the car and you're like, oh, the original color's plum crazy. Plus, I think purple looks good on satin black. It's a nice little pop of color.
There's so many colors that look good on satin black.
Yeah, it's true.
Like
damn, Snkycat! Put the rear badge on now. So stock Hellcats, it's just like an SRT badge right there. And I haven't had one. I took it off, and I haven't had one for a long time. So Kevin got me this purple one from American Brothers Designs. And it says SRT, and it also has the Hellcat logo on it. And it's purple, which is freaking awesome. I think it looks really cool. So Misa's gonna put that on there. What'd you clean it with? Like O&R?
No.
Or alcohol? So Misa cleaned it with alcohol, that way it adheres better.
Well,
nice
damn,
clean
it's
surface.
not together.
Oh, it's separate? Oh, that sucks. Alright, so Misa's gonna install that. Shout out to Kevin again. He picked the coolest badges, the badges I've wanted. I liked the other purple badges I had on the side, but then we saw Brad's Hellcat. Brad, if you watch this, and I saw the outlined Hellcat logo, and I think it looks so much sleeker and better. And so Kevin knew that and got me the purple ones, and then he also got the purple one for the rear, which I didn't know about that. He told me he was getting me the side ones once I saw that the car was wrapped, but I didn't know I was getting the rear, so that was another surprise today, or yesterday when they came in. So shout out to Kevin again, and shout out to American Brothers Designs. These are really nice. They're metal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're metal. And they're paint matched, and they're actually an official Mopar licensed product, which is really cool also. So Misa's gonna throw those on there.
I wish I had a brother like Kevin.
Kevin is like your brother. Wow. Kevin, if you're watching this, Misa just called you bitch. So yeah, if you see that, they're official Mopar licensed product, which is really cool. Yeah, so that's essentially where it's gonna go, somewhere like that.
I think that's pretty straight.
Alright, so there's the rear badge.
If somebody pulls out one of those little leveling things and tries to level that shit, we fight that fool.
You ain't fighting nobody.
I'm just saying, dude.
You're a Raiders fan. You automatically can't fight. Like, it's just, that's in the book of Raiders.
Yeah,
okay,
we shoot and stab people.
Alright, that looks dope. I love that. Nice hint of purple. Alright, so now we're on to the sides. Alright, so Rigo's car is next door. If you don't remember Rigo's car, Rigo's is the real camo cat, since I took mine off, and his is real camouflage, mine was digital camo. And his looks way better. I wish I would have, when I did the camo, I wish I would have done something more like his. His looks really good. So he's here for the weekend because he's getting the Dave package from Boost Performance, which is pretty much 800 horsepower package that everyone around here has. So his car's next door, so Misa measured where the badges go, and so now the badges will be exactly where they're supposed to be. And so he's just peeling off the little backside so you can get the adhesive.
I was about to put the one that goes on this side over there.
So Misa undid the wrong one, so look at this guy with this measuring. Let's make him nervous so he fucks it up. And YouTube freaking flames you for fucking this up. What are the measurements?
3 inches down, 3 inches from the fender here.
Damn. Must suck to only have 3 inches to work with, you know?
It's a difficult time. Hold the phone.
Holding the phone. I'm actually holding a camera. Is there a little piece like?
I don't know what that is on there. Just want to get that off. Okay, top here. And then on this side. Right there.
Ooh, that looks nasty. Just nice little hint of purple. Ooh, that looks good. Alright, the other side is on. Oh, man, that looks good.
It's so fucking crooked, dude.
It's very crooked, but, you know, that's Misa's life, so he lives his life crooked. Man, that looks so good. That looks freaking awesome. So, we got little purple accents here and there. We got these, got the badges, little purple on the mirror, little purple sticker there, purple badge there, purple sticker there, and then the Hellcat badge on the other side. Oh, and I still have this one on the gas tank. I forgot I had that one. And that one's purple too. So just little hints and accents here and there. I think it looks really cool because I think satin black and purple look cool together. That's just me. And if you guys don't like purple, well, it's personal preference, so I don't really care. It's my car, and I pay for it. So, but yeah, that's going to conclude this video. Shout out to Kevin for the badges. Shout out American Brother Designs. And always shout out Misa for putting my oh, shit. What'd you fuck up?
No, I got to put my sticker on.
Oh. The best sticker of all on my car. Illustrious Auto Styling. So, we wanted one in purple to kind of go with the purple themes, but he only has black ones right now because the purple vinyl is back ordered. So we're going to throw a black Illustrious Auto Styling sticker on there, and that'll do it for this video. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow Cali Boy Kev, follow Misa Patos, follow Cole, and follow Joe because he washed my car, and Joe's awesome and he's a good friend. And we're out!